How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can create and use clipping mask in Krita. So the first method is extremely simple. Let's say that we are going to use this specific layer right here. It doesn't matter whether it's an image, paint, or anything. And then you want to press Ctrl Shift G. It will then apply this mask layer on which we can apply the changes that we want onto this specific layer. So it will not apply to any other part of our layers right here. The second way is by adding your image, or in my case, I'm going to be using this image in order to mask it onto this paint layer. So let's just click on OK. And as an example, I'm just going to use this in order to be the texture to my paint layer. So first things first, just make sure that they are both selected. Press Ctrl G on your keyboard to simply group them together. And now if you click on the alpha button, it will then use our paint layer as a clipping mask. Now, the only thing left to do in order to make this effect better is to reduce the opacity of our wood texture. And as you can see, now we are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.